How to use live voice chat on TikTok. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can do exactly that. So the very first thing you can do is tap on the TikTok application to open it up and just make sure that you are logged into your account. As you can see, I'm already logged in here. And from here, what you can do is simply go ahead and head over to the plus icon at the bottom, and it will take you to a page and open up your camera. Once you are on this page, you can see different options like post, text at the bottom if you have enough followers. And it should look something like this right here where it says post, story, template, and live. Just head over to the live section. Once you tap on live, you have different options right below the go live button, like your device camera. On the right side, you have mobile gaming, and on the left side, you have voice chat. Just tap on the voice chat option and it will give you other options to go live. So you can also adjust the settings from here as well. But what you can do is simply go live from here. Tap on the go live button and your live stream will start. Now once the countdown timer is off, then you should be able to go live on TikTok with voice chats. Now you could add different guests on your live stream for your voice chats by tapping on the plus icon, and that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.